Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Find My is on for the device that paired with your AirPods and that Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location are enabled. Once done, open the Find My app and select your AirPods under Devices. You'll see a map and a status. If they show as online, you can play a sound. If offline, note the last known location. These immediate checks let you decide whether to search nearby now or move to a location-based recovery. If your AirPods are online, tap Play Sound and listen for the ping. Move slowly and triangulate by noting where the sound gets louder. If they are offline, check Last Seen and get directions, walk or drive to that spot, and keep refreshing the Find My map. Once in the vicinity, enable Play Sound again in case they reconnect. Make sure to move systematically. Sweep the area in overlapping paths so you don't miss hidden places like cushions or pockets. When you reach the location, search methodically. Check cushions, clothing pockets, bags under furniture, and inside car seats and consoles. If they remain offline, enable Notify when found in Find My and mark the AirPods as lost so you get alerts when they reconnect. If tracking fails, restart your iPhone, sign into iCloud again, and update iOS to rule out software glitches. One key tip: if multiple people might move the case, ask others nearby to play the sound from your Find My remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.